So good morning everyone, welcome you again to MSD, the online classes. In the previous classes we have studied about the division of integers with integers and division of polynomial by another polynomial. And today we will discuss about the rule of division. Okay. So before starting rule of division, as we know how to divide an integer with another integer. Suppose we have an example 9 divided by 4. Then 4 to the 8, the remainder is 1. So in this type of division, we have 9 as dividend. Okay, we call 9 as dividend. Here 4 is called divisor. Okay, 2 is called quotient and 1 is called remainder. Okay, so in this type of division, we can easily identify dividend if we do not have any dividend. Like how we can get 9? 9 is the dividend. How we can get 9? We can multiply 4 whole into 2. 4 to the 8. And if we add 1 with 8, then what will happen? 4 into the 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? 9 or is equal to 9. Clear? And we have 9 also the dividend. So we can write 9 means dividend. Okay. 9 means dividend is equal to 4 means divisor into 2 means 2 means quotient. Okay. Then what will be added with 4 into 2? 1, and here 1 is remainder. So we see that dividend can be calculated, or 9 can be calculated by multiplying divisor with quotient and then after adding 1 or the remainder with the multiplication. Okay, so this rule or this formula is known as division formula or rule of division. So by using this formula, we can easily calculate the dividend if divisor, quotient and remainder is given. Okay, so it is applicable for integers. Now we will verify whether this formula is applicable for polynomial. Okay, let's write down the formula again. So we get the formula dividend is equal to divisor whole into quotient plus remainder. This is the rule of division. Now we will verify whether this rule of division is applicable for polynomial. Let us take the example of some polynomial of division. Suppose we are going to divide x square plus 2x, okay, by x plus 1. Okay, so let us multiply x multiply to give x square and 1 into x after multiplication give x. So this 2 cancelled out. 2x minus x is x. So stop the division here. Okay, why? Because remainder, the degree of remainder is equal to the degree of quotient. Okay, then so here we get x plus 1 is divisor. Here x is remainder and this x is quotient. Okay, and we have already, this is the dividend. This is the dividend we have, but we will prove or we will verify whether these three, okay, what are the divisor, quotient, remainder, are operated with themselves to give dividend. We will verify. Okay, so as we have the formula, dividend is equal to divisor. Divisor means x plus 1 whole into quotient. Quotient means x. Then bracket, then plus remainder. Here remainder is x. So after calculation, use distributive law here. X into x, x square plus x into 1, x plus x. So x square plus x, 2x. This is the dividend. See, we have this is the dividend, and here we calculate this is the dividend, and these two polynomials are equal, completely equal. So we have proved that, this formula holds good for polynomial. Okay, तमने एटा polynomial पाई ए formula में apply करि परिबा. It is applicable for this polynomial. Okay. So it is verified. Now we will do some problem where divisor, quotient and remainder are given and we have to find out the dividend. Suppose we have a question that divisor is x minus 1, quotient is given as x plus 1 and the remainder is 2. Then find dividend. Okay, here divisor, quotient and remainder are given and we have to find out the dividend. As we know the rule of dividend, dividend is how much? Dividend is divisor into quotient. So a divisor is x minus 1 whole into quotient. Quotient is x plus 1. Okay, curly bracket, then plus remainder. The remainder is 2. So put the value of divisor, quotient and remainder here. Now we will multiply these two polynomial using distributive law. Okay, how? X whole into total and 1 whole into total, as we know. Okay, so x whole into x plus 1, x whole into total, then minus, this is curly bracket, 1 whole into total. Okay, this is also curly bracket, then we will use square bracket here, plus 2. Clear? Now multiplication, again use distributive. X into x ja x square plus x into 1 ja x. Okay, minus 1 into x ja x plus 1 into 1 ja 1. Okay, this. Then plus 2. Now by opening the bracket, as we know, the sign will change. Minus 1 plus 2 is equal to x square. See, x and minus can be cancelled out. Then we have minus 1 plus 2. These are two like terms, so they can be added to give plus 1. And this is our dividend. Hence, we can write dividend is equal to x square plus 1. So, it is the way through which we can find out the value of the dividend using the value of divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, this is the example. Let us take one more example. Write it down. Suppose we have one more example. Okay, that if the divisor is x square plus 2, okay, quotient is 3x and remainder is x plus 1, then find dividend. We will use same formula and same procedure. Okay, we have divisor, quotient and remainder. So as we know, dividend is equal to divisor, that is x square plus 2, into quotient. Here quotient is 3x plus the remainder. The remainder is x plus 1. Okay, now multiply it using distributive law. So 3x into x square, 3x into x square plus 3x into 2 plus x plus 1. Okay, so 3x into x square ja how much? X into x square ja x cube. Okay, always remind that same variable will be multiplied. Plus 3x into 2 will be 3 2 just 6, x plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x cube plus 6x plus, see here one thing, 6x and x are two like terms, so they can be added to give 7x plus 1. So this is our dividend. Okay, So in this way we can find out the dividend of any polynomial having divisor given, quotient given and remainder given. Okay. So this is rule of division.